Hello, I'm Susan and I'm a tutor in maths. Today with Stacy and Mike we will have a lesson in the virtual classroom of yourtutor.us. We will begin with the graphics board, which gives me all the necessary tools. We will start with the rectangular triangle. By using the polygon tool, I can easily put it on the board with only one click. Now I can change its size and position. By clicking on the pen tool, I will add the right angle and the other three angles, A, B, and C. To continue with the lesson, I will upload additional information on the board and I will use the materials menu. The content module is part of the LMS system and allows me to upload all kinds of files on the board, including video and audio too. I will choose the recently uploaded file with additional information for the lesson. With only one click, it appears on the board. Now I can also size it and put it on the right place so that my students will be able to see it. Now it is time to make some exercise. Again, I've prepared them in my materials menu and I will upload them on the board with another click. Choosing the triangles file, moving it on the right and sizing it to fit on the board. Please, Mike, use the pen tool and underline the rectangular triangles on the picture on your right. Okay, do you think there's another one? Good, well done, Mike. Now we will continue with the second part of our lesson. To do so, I'll switch boards and use the links one. I'll now upload a video directly from YouTube by placing the link and pressing the button load. As you can see, we will learn about fractions. I can play it, pause it, and we can discuss it if it's necessary. After we've seen the video, now it's time to make some additional exercise. I've prepared an exercise by splitting the board into two. On the left, we can see the graphics board with the needed information, and on the right, we will solve some problems. Today we'll learn about adding fractions, as you can see on the left board. With the integrated mathematical symbols in the algebra board, I can easily write the problem that one of my students will have to solve later. I'll choose the fraction symbol and write the problem on the board. 3/5 plus, again, choosing the fraction symbol. It is the same as the problem, so I won't change it. Equals question mark. Now, I'll leave my students to solve the problem. If I want to test them, I can easily separate them in groups so they can work individually without being able to see one another's work. I, of course, will be able to check on their progress and give them tips. Now, Stacy, can you please put your solution on the board? That's right, well done. I can record everything happening during the lesson so that my students will be able to review it later and save it in their personal LMS. The only thing I have to do is to press the record button. The students can also save a screenshot of the board with all the writings and pictures by only pressing the Save Screenshot button. Furthermore, I can share my PC screen with them so that I can show them additional materials like interactive textbooks or another software, for example. Again, I only need one click on the button Share Screen. To wrap it all, your tutor provides me with an interactive whiteboard, a video recording and editing module, and a learning management system, everything in one online-based platform with nothing to install. After I've showed my colleagues in school the never-ending possibilities that the platform your tutor provides, they use it all the time. The students are eager to make their own lessons and video materials and have their lessons in the Your Tutor classroom, the school of the future.